Lunch and Learn Online. I'm TFL librarian Sharon, and I'm so glad you were able to join me today. Our workshop this afternoon is the second of a two-part workshop on Google My Business. Google My Business is a free online tool that helps local businesses be found and manage their information on Google Search and Maps. For today, we're going to start with a quick recap of what we covered last week. Next, we're going to work step by step through how to set up your own free business profile. This slide should look familiar from last week, where we went over the anatomy of a business profile on Google. Remember that when a shopper discovers your profile, they'll see information about your business like your address, phone number, contact info, hours of operation, and more, including photos and videos, reviews, and a description to help potential customers understand what your business is about and what makes it unique. Last week, we learned that the Google My Business tool helps local businesses be found and manage business information on Google Search and Maps. Remember that any organization that sees local customers or clients face-to-face can benefit from having a business profile. Once you create and claim your listing, you can manage your information as it appears across Google Search and Maps. This helps your customers find important information about your business. Business profiles on Google My Business can only be created for businesses that either have a physical location that customers can visit or that travel to visit customers where they are. The general rule is that a business must make in-person contact with customers during its stated hours. There are some exceptions though, including ATMs, video rental kiosks, and express mail drop boxes, for example. Another exception would be seasonal businesses, say like an ice skating rink only open in the winter months, which are eligible as long as they display permanent signage year-round at the location. Some examples of ineligible businesses include rental or for sale properties, such as vacation homes, model homes, or vacant apartments. Sales or leasing offices, however, are eligible for verification. An ongoing service, class, or meeting at a location that you don't own or have the authority to represent is also ineligible. If your business hasn't opened yet, you can create a Google My Business listing and let your community know that you'll be opening soon. Set your future opening date, engage with customers, and announce when and where you'll be open for business. To do this, when you create your business listing, be sure to choose the Verify Later option when you're prompted to verify. Then, set your future opening date before you verify your business. That way, you'll prevent your business from falsely appearing on Google as open. To get started, we're going to go to google.com/business. If you already have an account, you can click the Sign In button at the top of the screen. If you're brand new to Google My Business, you're going to click the Manage Now button. Before using many of Google's products, you're going to need to set up a free Google account. This provides a single sign-in, username and password, that lets you access all those connected Google products. For example, if you sign into Gmail, which is automatically a Google account, you don't need to sign in again to access your calendar and docs. They're all connected. If you don't use Gmail, you can register another email address as a Google account by visiting accounts.google.com/signup. The Google account you use should be one with an email address you check regularly. Google will communicate with you about your business profile through that email address. The email address used to verify the account is not visible to your customers. Once you begin typing your business name, a drop-down list may appear. If you see a list of businesses, scan the results to see if yours already appears. If it does, click on it. This skips you ahead one step, which we like. Because you're a little further ahead, you won't have to enter business details. You'll immediately be asked to confirm your business. Don't worry if you want to make changes to your information. I'll show you how to do that within the Google My Business dashboard after you've verified your business profile. If the business doesn't appear in the list or you don't see any options listed, click Next. Next, type your business name and ensure that it's spelled correctly. Now you'll need to select a category for your business. Start by thinking of a category you'd like to use, then type in a few letters to see what options appear. You must choose an existing category. You can't edit or create them. It's okay if you can't find the perfect category either. Just choose something as close as possible. You can get more specific when you fill out your business details within the info portion of the dashboard. If your business falls into multiple categories, start with the main one. After your business profile is updated, you can always add additional categories. When you're done, click Next to go to the next step. Now you'll be asked to choose whether or not your business has a physical location that customers can visit. Many local service area businesses operate out of private homes. Service area businesses that see their customers face-to-face, but at the customer's location or in a common area, say a coffee shop or your favorite local library, are able to hide their address. These businesses can still appear on Google Maps without displaying the address or driving directions. The areas that you service will be highlighted on the map instead. If you've checked yes because you do have a physical location where customers can visit, you'll be asked to enter the complete official street address for your business. Google recommends against including extra details like cross streets or nearby landmarks, but you can add suite or office numbers on the separate address line. PO boxes are not considered accurate physical locations and are not allowed. This will also include mailboxes at locations other than your business address, such as shipping stores. If you've checked no because you don't have a physical location where customers can come, you'll instead be asked to enter the areas you serve. This can be done by entering city names, postal code, or other areas like neighborhoods and districts. If you've already created a business profile in the past and selected a service radius around your business, this process will look a little different now. You can no longer set your service area as a distance around your business. Instead, you'll need to specify your service area by city, postal code, or other areas. Also, if your business has a physical address but also delivers goods and services to customers, after entering the business address, you'll have the option here to add additional service areas so that you can have both. When you're done, click Next to go to the next step. Here you'll be prompted to enter your phone number or website URL. Providing current info will help customers get in touch and learn more about your business. To add the web address of an existing website, simply uncheck the box next to Create a free website based on your info. Once you've done so, you'll be asked to enter your current web address. If you don't currently have a website and would like to create one through Google, you can leave this box checked. Once you finish registration, you'll have the option to use the website feature to build your free website. When you're done, click Next to go to the next step. Okay, we're almost there. We're at the final screen before verification. This confirms the details you've provided. Here, you'll need to click Finish to move ahead to the verification screen. Once you've progressed to this screen, you'll begin the verification process to confirm the business location and your authorization to manage the profile. Here, you'll see which options for verification you have. And here we see, having chosen a mailed postcard as our method of verification, that our postcard is on the way. It should arrive within 5 days, but could take as long as 14. If anyone else at your location checks the mail, such as a family member or a receptionist, be sure they know to be on the lookout for this Google postcard so that they can give it to you and you can claim your account. You can create or claim your Google My Business profile at google.com/business, update all information and details about your business, and add photos to your business profile. Make sure to download the Google My Business app as it has some options that aren't available in the computer dashboard. You can also get insights. Once your business profile becomes live, you'll be able to access reports that will show you how customers engage with your profile on search and maps. If this workshop interested you, you can find more information at google.com/grow. Grow with Google is an initiative that helps people prepare for work, find jobs, and grow their businesses. Remember that you can catch up on all our past digital workshops through the library's website at turnerfreelibrary.org/digital and look for the digital workshops link. You can also follow our channel on YouTube to stay up to date. Thank you very much for joining me as we looked at Google My Business, and I hope you have a fantastic day.